Welcome everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I want to show you how we can simply find your stream key in Twitch. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're on Twitch, go to right top corner, it's your name, and then just go to settings. Right when you're here, you want to click on one thing, and that's channel and videos. When you will be in channel videos, you're going to see like preferences and channel, and right here you're going to see primary stream key. You want to copy it and then just easily add it to OBS, to Streamlabs, to whatever you want. It's like up to you where you want to share it, something like that. So you just copy it and you just share it where you want to share it. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some feedback and guidance, you know how it goes. But yeah, right click on your name, account settings, channel and videos, channel, and copy the stream key. Goodbye.